Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while on a different discovery too today. This one has this problem. Last night went to get in it and there was a rainbow outside. That is red, which is power steering fluid. The pump's got a bit noisy because it's got no fluid in it. So we've got to try and find out where that leak is. This hasn't long got a steering box and steering pipes. Probably 18 months, so they should still be alright. But we're going to take all these covers off and see if we can find out where the leak is. We're going to need the head torch to try and find this leak. This one's currently being welded. Did say we was going to do a video on that. Never did a video. I'll show you when it's finished. So let's have a look over there. That's the power steering fluid container there, which is obviously pretty low now because it's all over the floor. What I'm hoping is that one of these rubber pipes there has rubbed through. That's what I'd like to be the situation. So we'll have a look best we can without taking anything off it. So 2 are to the ACE, which it shows you on there, and 2 are to your power steering. So the left hand 2 there and there are your power steering ones. So let's have a look down there and see if we can see where the oil starts coming from. What I'll have to do is put the camera down, find it, and then I'll show you where it is once it's been found. Okay, back in a minute. So looking at it, we think it's down here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but that braided hose goes round and then it turns into rubber down there. It's down there and it sits just sitting on that nut there. And we think it's rubbed through there, just where it turns back to rubber. So if we take this off and straighten the hose out, we should be able to see if it's rubbed through. I'm struggling to get at it, but it's just down there. We think it's starting to look wet down there. It looks like it might have rubbed through. Might not be the place, but it looks like it. So we're going to try and get to it and see what's happened. Right, the plan is to run it and then see if we can see where it's coming from, because it don't look like it's coming from that bit that's up there. So it does come out. Yeah. Shit's going on there now. Stop! There's where it's coming from. I can see it running off the bottom, but God knows where it's coming from. Unless it's coming from a bend there. Look, it's hammering off this corner here. Oh God! Oh. I'm looking all up in the holes and it ain't coming from there. It's coming. It's pink. I think it's because it's like aerated, you know, from it shooting it out.
Yeah.
But it's right on this corner. So all I can think that is it's that particular pipe. Hang on, I've zoomed in by a wick. There's a pipe that goes round there. You know them pipes that run along the bottom?
Oh, not the one to run under the rad?
Yeah. All I can think is it's coming out of one of them, because they're the only thing that sort of go up that corner. So we've had a look, and if you can see, just down there, there's, if I can get this torch to work. I don't know if you can see. I can see, but just down there, there's a little pink like bit of fluid. and it's squirting out of one of the pipes. Is that it there? So difficult to get the camera right on here. There, see the fizzy stuff there? So there's a pipe there, and as you turn the steering wheel, it blasts out a fine mist, which is why it's all pink and bubbly like that. So it looks like it's the two, or one of the pipes that, there's metal pipes that run under the radiator, which was replaced in the past. So we've replaced it with brick part ones. They make proper expensive as well, all of them.
Yeah.
100 and odd quid.
Something like that, yeah. You had to buy the two.
You gotta just buy one.
And it goes into the steering pump, down there.
Steering box, they go into the top of the steering box and they go into the steering pump this end. So radiator has to come out, gearbox, oil cooler has to come out, air conditioning condenser out, fans off, down to them two pipes that run along the bottom of there, and you have to feed them back through into the top of the steering box. Absolute nightmare of a job. And we've done it before. And they, like I say, what's it got? 2 years max.
Yeah, maximum.
2 years max for them pipes. And now we seem to have a split in them again. So we'll see how it goes.